Hello everyone, welcome to another Adult Craft and Create video. My name is Lena and I'm from the Sun City Library. Today I will show you how you can make a simple luminary. The materials needed are listed down below, and this list can also be found in the description box. Alright, let's start. Mix approximately 2 tablespoons of glue with 2 tablespoons of water. Then, brush this mixture onto your jar. Place your tissue paper onto the jar, and personally, I use 2 sheets instead of 1 per patch to make the colors more vibrant. And then very gently, brush the glue on top of the paper. A small interlude. I'm going to remove the lid and wipe away the glue before the jar and lid stick together. Grab another piece or 2 of tissue paper and place it next to the first patch. Continue placing down your tissue papers until your luminary is completely covered. Cut and adjust the tissue paper into the sizes and shapes you'd like them to be. And be sure to fill in any openings. Once your jar is completely covered, let the jar dry for at least 3 hours. Be careful not to touch the jar, or you'll risk ripping the paper. When the jar is dry, you can put in a battery-powered tea light to finish your luminary. I hope you like this project. Consider following our social media for more projects and programs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!